In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a to-do list in Clickup and organize your tasks effectively. This simple guide will walk you through each step of setting up your lists and tasks, ensuring you can manage your workload more efficiently in no time. So, let's dive into the process. First up, let's talk about creating a list. Lists in Clickup can live within spaces or folders, so the first step is to navigate to the specific space or folder where you'd like your to-do list to reside. You'll notice a plus icon, sometimes labeled as the Create button. Clicking on this will open a menu of options. From here, you'll want to select List. This is where organizational magic begins. Pick a name that clearly defines its purpose, like Daily Tasks, Grocery List, or Project X, to ensure you immediately recognize its use. Once you've got the perfect name, simply hit Create List. And just like that, your list will appear, ready to be filled with tasks. Next, we'll move on to adding tasks to your newly created list. It's pretty straightforward. Within your list, you'll see another plus icon. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to add a task. Now, if you're someone who prefers quick keyboard shortcuts or loves to streamline your workflow, you might want to employ the Quick Create modal. This feature is often accessible by pressing T or using a slash command, providing an efficient way to pop open a quick task entry window. But ClickUp doesn't just stop at lists. You can also add tasks to a list directly from other views like your whiteboards, docs, or dashboards. This flexibility ensures that no matter where inspiration strikes, you can jot down your tasks without missing a beat. Now let's talk about the details that make each task more actionable. When creating a task, start by giving it a descriptive name. After that, if necessary, assign team members who will be responsible for it, and set due dates to keep everyone on track. You also have the space to add detailed descriptions, attach any pertinent documents or files, and fill in other relevant information that will keep your project organized and clear. Once you've input all this essential data, click Create Task, and your task is officially part of your workflow. Now, even within tasks, sometimes you need to break things down further. ClickUp allows you to create checklists within each task. This feature is particularly useful for dissecting larger tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. Simply open any task that requires more detail, navigate to the Action Items tab, and click the plus to start adding your checklist items. And there you have it. That's a straightforward way to add a to-do list and tasks in ClickUp. By using these steps, you can streamline your work processes, keep your tasks organized, and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Thanks for watching, and happy task managing!